Welcome back to my channel. This is a struggle video of how I got this look. Did you literally call me for this? Did you literally call me for this? You literally called me to laugh at me. What is your problem?
I like it.
Thanks, bye, nonsense. I'm not going to lie. Procrastination and this specific look, it has been real. Because in a low key way, I was like, I haven't done a creative look in a while. The look I'm doing, you can, okay, I'm just going to insert a picture here because I was like, why am I showing you guys on my phone? But I felt like this was just perfect for me because I have those earrings already, I have that shirt already, I have that jacket already. I just had to go and get the little things in the hair. And for this look, I really only wanted to do it because of the lips. Like, I love Bratz doll lips already. I'm going to get our glue stick. This is the ELMERS, let me just cover it, ELMERS washable glue. I'm just going to first run it through my eyebrow. Right now it's making a bit of a mess, but okay, that was a fail. I shouldn't have put powder first. Let's go and do this again. I'm gonna rub this on. Okay, lay, okay, rub. That's one layer. I usually like to wait to let it dry between layers, because trust me, if you don't let it dry between layers, you're got another thing coming for you there. So my brows are ready. Now I'm going to use color corrector on them first, because obviously they're black, so I have to correct them. I'm going to use that orange corrector, a bit full coverage, so it's going to be very nice. What I have to do is basically correct them and really press the corrector in so that the black spots don't show anymore. So I'm color correcting the heck out of them right now. Wow, this is weird. This is my foundation to go over it. I've noticed that stick foundations always work better because liquid, not so sure. So, all right, we are covering eyebrows now. So they went to the market and they never came back, so yeah, just going over it. So I'm going to use my Benefit Brow to do the fake brows, something like that. It's those 80s brows, you know what I mean? Those brows that you're like, wait, what's happening? I'll be doing them one by one because I cannot do them. I'm trying to make sure they're even. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in 330. I'm using are from the Makeup Forever Flash Palette. So I'm going to mix a bit of this white with the concealer. I like it right now. Okay, so I'm going to blend it in. I've watched several videos about how to get this, and it's just going to have to get what I get, what it gives it. So I have to trace my eye out a bit. Maybe I should bring it down further down here. By God's grace, that's where the thing is, because wow, I just go all out with this one eye and then this eye is now smaller. Jeez. Let me wipe off that little mistake I made. I don't know, this eye is just really cooperating with me. This other eye, the lid I think was too low. Start building the color of the eye. I look like I have battle scars. Why are my lips dry? Look, this palette just has all the colors in it, so I'm going to use this shade. I just wish it had names. I threw it away. I didn't throw it away, but life happened and now I can't find the card. Just use a little bit of concealer on my lid. I'm gonna put it all the way up onto my new crease, because this is my new crease right here. kind of have something going here, something gold that should not be messed up. It didn't go so well. When I kept looking at the picture, I realized that the Bratz eyeball is actually, look, can you focus on me? Now you're not focusing on me? How disrespectful. Anyway, I realized that the Bratz eyeball is actually bigger than the white part, and in my own Bratz the white part was getting bigger. So here we are again. This is a very realistic video, so I have thinking that it is from here. I'm going to try a different method and try and fill it in first before drawing the pupil. Basically using my tissue here to like sculpt it in a way. So we're just gonna very interesting, honestly. I think it's working out. I'm not sure. From here it looks like it's working out. Do I look like a dog?
You're getting there.
I'm getting there? You think so?
I'm positive.
Yay! You know, at this point I'm like, the internet is going to get whatever I give it. That's where I'm at right now. And you know, oh great, there is lip liner. Great. I'm just really excited about these lips though. So my eyes are actually creasing right now. Like I have some eye creases, natural eye creases. Like this is not like my makeup creasing because I didn't set it. This is like my natural creasing that I usually get. By the time I finish the look, I'll have to go in with the white again to like clean up the inner eye color. All right, my nose. How am I gonna do this? Don't know how to speak for myself, but these lips though, that's what's going to make me happy. Those lips. That's the only thing that can make me happy at this point. I even thought that I was not going to do this video. There was a point in the video I was like, who begged me? Has most of her like highlight like in towards the front of her eye. So that's basically what I did right here. Carve my face out this way. Alright. And then the other side. Oh my goodness! First of all, this black is so black that it's not even coming off.
5 hours later.
Now I'm going to get my earrings. I also have these hoops because these are the hoops that I saw in the photo. Brush my hair up. That was a fail. I'm going to do this off camera. I don't know how to do it properly on camera. Yeah, basically I'm done. This was just like, I didn't think I would get here. I thought that I wouldn't finish this look. I just thought that I would just give up. So I don't know, this should be kind of something that you guys should watch when you feel like you can't do something, you know, because it's definitely possible to do whatever you set your mind to that you want to do. I really feel so. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And how do you think I did? Rate it down below. Let me know how you think. How do you think I did? I know this was very good. This was a lot. Okay. Good week. Okay. Bye.